Hey everyone, welcome to another Howtech video tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to save Gmail attachments to Google Drive. You can transfer your Gmail attachments straight to your Google Drive by adding them to your drive. If you don't want to go through the hassle of downloading Gmail attachments and then uploading them back to Google Drive, we'll show you the easy way. Let's save some Gmail attachments to our drive. Go to your Gmail and open an email that has attachments. To add individual attachments, hover over an attachment and click Add to Drive. If you want to add all of them at the same time, go to the right and click Add All to Drive. You can also move the items right in your Gmail by clicking the Organize button and moving the item. You can now save Gmail attachments to your Google Drive. What other Google services do you use? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.